Flip, Margie, flip. Ain't nobody got time for that.
Wow. It went so high that he got out of the picture. Man.
No, come on, man.
Look at this.
Hey, guys, that was great.
Good thing I had a couple practice runs.
Well, I think you got it down, man.
That was awesome. Oh.
Good form, sweetie.
Look at her face.
The best is when you stuck your landing there.
Oh. Oh.
You got so high, you got out of the frame.
Yeah, man, she got so high so quickly.